Alas 10 pa lang, pero I want to cook rice. And yes, so here's my room, and then we're going to kusina. So it's a good thing ginaamat-amat ko panara ang mga ibang mga gamit. So this is actually my bookshelf, and now ginhimo ko siyang maberitangan ka mga utensils, and then I have my water nga almost ubos. Kaya mga konsumo ko mostly hindi lata. Kung tama din ako maghimus ka mga like ka mga laswa, whatever. So I usually delata. So my go-to viand, and then my favorite noodles, and then kain ako lang dinara since I have visitors coming. Problema ang mga utensils, pero kadya I think I have enough nga mga kutsara, tinidor, pinggan, kag mga baso. So yes, I'm gradually preparing this place to be, a place with a lot of guests coming. And yeah, so I'm going to make himas, fix these things, to set them aside so I could prepare my lunch. We are going to cook rice. And then I'll have delata because I'm too lazy to cook. Kag ang mga dara ko rin like mga laswa and oh my god, red rice with ants. I'm not choosing this water, so di siya ako nagagamit kay medyo kay malimpyo. So yes, we'll make sukol-sukol. Perfect. And then so, tapos yung kabalunas, and good thing is may dalawa ako ka paagi sa pagraha. So the other one is the cookery, and the other one is madabok-dabok pa. So diyan ang dapog. But usually I use my butane. Excuse me. I use my butane para dasig lang. So let's measure and then put it on the butane. Puro ko tubig. So ang tubig ng irimnan is different from the tubig na ginahimus namin. Sa tubig na ginahimus ay we get the water from the bubon, just steps away from the house. Pero ang irimnan ligto sa reservoir. So ligto ang irimnan, so limpyo. And I need to carry that the jar. Pero nagapasag abla ko. Kung wala ako, the good thing here is that the caretaker check to every time kung may tubig rin siya o kung wala. So whenever I come here, sometimes full ang jar. So I don't need to, problematize the water. But kung ridya ako and then kung tubig, ako ang gasagap. So here we go. Tiga kita and we'll wait for like several minutes and then we'll have lunch. It's an early lunch. I don't know. Medyo maganam-ganam. I think it's going to rain and over there is the deck. Hindi nyo na makita kay Rayo. So I think it's going to rain. I hope it rains because I love it here, especially kung mag-uran. So let's go inside and then we'll have to turn on the burner. Oh my god. There you go. And then we'll wait for pira ka minutos. So let's have it medyo lang. Kamay lang ako fire. Okay, let's see. Oh. The problem with me using this butane, hindi ako mamamagtansya. So every time nga magamit ako, especially in controlling the fire kag magbukal, sometimes nagkakasunog. I don't know, maybe it's with the caserola. That is why I really need to stir kag i-control ang fire, and I really need to watch para hindi siya masunog. So this is how you cook rice. Simple. So this is how my day goes here sa farm. It's funny kay kung ridya, I mean may ginaobra man ako ridya, but most of the time ginabiling ko ang work sa balay. I finished the task until ako rin magtukad, and so I have nothing to worry about unless kung may mga additional tasks pa, which I do late in the afternoon. And rin siya, this is really a place for me to relax, to chill. So I usually mabatang gabasa, sometimes ka paint, and then kung nataman ako magtuklad rito, I would just stay here, mabatang basa, do some reflection, and amo lang ra. But what's surprising is that whenever I do that, it seems like I have done a lot. I guess I am already immune to boredom. Pero wala. I think it's sort of a therapy to just, it's okay to do nothing. And it's okay to just, not being productive. I just feel like when I'm here, it's productive man. Probably siguro na ubra ko ang aking nga dapat ubrahon every time magsaka rin siya. So, I don't need to worry anything. Let's see. Yeah, I'll make sure nga hindi siya masunog. So I really put ginagamay ang kalayo. Gid kay basi magsunog. A lot of percentage spending my entire day here at the farm. is on just doing nothing. Sometimes kung may mga bata nga magsaka rin siya, so kung tandasan ako magkimus, so I'll cook for them noodles, champurado, or kung may mga tinapay rin siya, so we'll eat together. Amaring ra.